We are now on a private property. It's not too far. It's in between Kapiti and Ben Bullen. Catching up with some of our friends. It's pretty stunning. The weather is turning again. Not much luck. It's a cloud, rainy cloud coming, approaching. There we are, right? Where are these people? Nice. So leading camp. So that's Jeff Ultimate camper trailer, Elite Ultimate. Really nice piece of gear. That's the way out. This is inside the property and we are staying. It's pretty stunning. I can show you. This is the way out. Nice and steep. It's pretty cool. You camp by the river and there's you just do a bit of forward driving to get to camp, but I don't think now you're supposed to drive around the property. It's huge. I don't know how big it is, but you can fit a few groups of people. Yeah, so I think today, the plan for today would be maybe just have a bit of touring around the north section of Turon River. It seems the Turon being pretty high flow and a high quantity of water. So, oh, see, there's another group down there. You stay there, okay? Yeah, you stay there. getting ready for Jeff crossing. It's a bigger car, probably most capable with Stas with a Jeep. He's at the front anyway. So I did the first crossing. It doesn't look too bad, but you never know. Ah, you went with a geolander now. That's a geolander.
The tires?
Yeah. Yoko. I love that, like, right? Yeah, I think the right bank is the best option. It's good. It's not a deep. It's a bit of a funky exit. You know, it's funny, we've done 2 river crossings, but we know then the next one is the tricky one, so nobody want to go first. And so it's only 2 of us, me and Gianluca with the Triton. We are open, not with rear locker or front locker. So I now want to go after Gianluca to be sure. Then if he can make it, I can make it. Anyway, that's the plan. He used to be bloody tiny. This.
Yeah, the bank's pretty steep on the other side.
Oh, actually.
Look at the get out of it.
Hang on. The one.
I cannot give you anything. I don't know.
There was a quick video, a bit mixed match with a few locations. Not much of a forward drive, mostly a bit of camping, and try this new experience for HipCamp in a private property, which has been absolutely amazing. That's the river. We're camping here. That's Gianluca, that's me. Jeff was at the back. Gianluca with his new J-Pod, and Jeff has a new trailer. I didn't have much time to some footage of the new trailer, but I will definitely do next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.